My name is Natasha Malk, and this is my merger video. I merged my timer work that I have done with some of Corey Lyman's artwork and Javier Martin's bike acceleration script that he done. On my timer here that we done, I made it so that when the player presses the Z key, which is the button that actually makes the bike move across the screen, the timer will start. The timer will not start on awake. It should not start until the Z button is pressed, and it will stop if the P button is pressed. This is Javier's acceleration script that he worked on, and actually the X key is like a boost for the bike, and Z is the regular speed. The way that I created the timer was I made a UI canvas and put the text on it, and then I created my script and attached my script to the timer, and the timer text is attached to my script. Okay, so if we press play, you can see up here it shows the timer. It hasn't started yet, thank goodness. And then if we press Z to move, the timer starts working. So, alright, so that's everything that I have merged together for my merger project. The bike and the background track is Corey Lyman's. The movement script is Javier Martin's, and the timer is all mine. So that's it, and thank you for watching.